what's going on with the toenails, bro? Tell me, come on.
The kids, I was actually drinking coffee this morning, and the oldest, she wants to set up her own little shop.
Yeah?
Where she like does people up. She's, Daddy, I want to do your toenails. So she did the right one, and then the baby did the left one. And the baby she got on the big toe, and she just kept going, man.
Look at this. I think the right side looks better. I think the pink side looks better.
Dude, I kid you not. She kept going. Like, I was like, all right, hey, that's enough nail polish on that one.
Well, it looks good, man. I think you did. Hey, just make sure you don't put a picture of my feet, because I'll break the camera. All right, guys, what's going on? Scott Barnes here. In today's video, I got Craig Summers here. Craig, you just hit 2,000 subs.
I did, man. I appreciate your help on that last video. We are growing, and I'm excited about what we got going on.
Congrats, man. Yeah,
Thank you,
definitely.
thank you.
Today, we're going to be doing a sweep from the back step. If our opponent's going for knee bars or setting up some stuff from that back step, got a fun little sweep from the bottom. Let's check it out. You ready?
Let's go. Let's go.
So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna set up on my back. We got our practitioner on top, and what usually happens sometimes, they might be going for the knee bar, but Craig's gonna just go ahead and get in that back step position. Back step, he's gonna give me a hug. And so, nice thing is there's a little bit of a 50-50 going on, and I mean 50-50 where I can't really do much and he can't really do too much damage other than the knee. But what I wanna do is I wanna get the sweep from the bottom and not only get my 2 points from the sweep, but I get my 3 points for side control. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the lapel that's closest to us, because if I pull this one, it's not gonna hold him down. This one's gonna hold him down. We're gonna get as much slack as possible, and then we're gonna take my hand that's behind his back, and we're gonna switch it to there. Now I've got a free hand, and now Craig cannot move towards me. If he does, I can pull him back with the lapel. Then I'm gonna take my free hand, I'm gonna grab his knee pant gi right here. I'm gonna open up my legs, and I'm gonna put my right foot under his heel, and then all I'm gonna do is just push, lift up, boom, right into side control. You want up, mount, and then we got a nice little arm choke set up there. One last time. Steps in, back steps. I'm gonna open up his lapel, take our time, switch it to the hand. I've got my free hand, I'm gonna grab the side of his knee, open up my guard, put my foot under his heel, and just give him a push. And then we got a nice good side control with the lapel over his neck. Also, we can do some fun chokes there as well. All right, Craig. What do you think?
I love lamp.
So it's just a fun way to get the guy and the bigger guy up off the top of you. And to tell you the truth, this works for the bigger guys out there. So if you got a 200 plus gentleman out there, it's really hard for them to put pressure back on you when you have that lapel. So like I said, you get 2 points for the sweep, and then you get that 3rd point for side control. So like always, I'm gonna put a link down to Craig's channel below. Go give him a like, a sub, all that good stuff. But for Technique Tuesday, we'll just kind of keep it going and all that good stuff. Craig, thanks for the help, man. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. See ya!